Hi, I'm Kristin, a librarian here at Massanutten Regional Library, and for this month's adult craft we are going to be making some alcohol ink coasters. So these are a really fun and simple thing you can do with some easy materials that you can get at craft stores, hardware stores. Let me go ahead and show you what I've put in your kit. First we have a ceramic wall tile. This is 4 by 4 inches. You can get this at a hardware store for like 15 cents. I'm also going to give you a pipette, a few different colors of alcohol ink, a piece of felt, and a straw. Then at home you're going to need some rubbing alcohol. I suggest 91%. I also tried this with 70% and the 91% seemed to work better. I like to have a little cup to put my rubbing alcohol in. You can, do what you want as far as that's concerned. You'll need some scissors to cut your felt, some paper towels or something just to, help clean up your messes. Some glue to affix your felt to the back of your coaster, and then some sort of finishing spray. I have Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer because that's just what I had on hand, although the Krylon Kmart is supposed to work a lot better, so if you happen to have your hands on that, I would suggest that one. But with that, let's get started and go ahead and make our coaster. Okay, so I've put a little bit of my rubbing alcohol in this cup, and I'm just going to use the pipette to drip a little bit on my tile. And then I'm going to take one of my paper towels and use it. So we just want to get a nice clean surface to start with here. Now we're going to do a couple of our alcohol inks. When I did this one, I think I used just the pinkish and bluish colors, or probably magenta and cyan if you're technical. So today I'm going to try a little bit of the yellow. Just kind of drip it wherever you feel like it. And maybe I'll do some of this pink, magenta. I really know my colors, I swear. Just kind of drip it wherever the mood suits you. Be careful with this, it will stain. If you get it on your hands, it'll wash off in a couple days. I don't know what to tell you about clothes. That's why I have it on this cardboard here. Then you're going to take your straw and just kind of blow your colors around. See those cool patterns it's starting to make? You can leave some white spots if you like. I actually kind of like those white spots on the edge. If you feel like it's drying up too fast, you can always take a little bit more of your alcohol and drip it on there and see how it kind of like loosens up your colors a little bit. If you want more colors, you can drop more colors on. Maybe get some more yellow in the center here. And just kind of blow it wherever you like it. Once you're satisfied with your pattern, well, actually, let me rewind. If you don't like this at all, you can actually put rubbing alcohol on this, erase the whole thing basically, and start over from scratch. And do it as many times as you like until it looks the way you want it to. The only limit is how much rubbing or alcohol ink you have, basically. So once you're happy with your pattern, you're going to let it dry. You can kind of tell it's already starting to dry here. The colors aren't moving anymore. The alcohol helps it evaporate really quickly. Then you're going to not do this now because I'm inside and I don't have enough ventilation, but you're going to take your sealant and follow the instructions carefully. Make sure that you're outside, well-ventilated area, and seal your project. Once you've finished with that, you're going to take a piece of your felt. Let me get my ink out of the way here. And just cut a square about the size of the back of your coaster. Maybe. It wouldn't be a craft video with Kristin if I didn't complain about how dull my scissors are. Take a little bit of glue. I'm using actually Elmer's glue right now, which, does a decent job. Well, I was going to be using Elmer's glue. It does not want to come out on me. Let's try this again. All right, well, we're going to pretend that I glued it because, we were just having technical difficulties. You're going to take your felt and just glue it to the back of your coaster. If you want to, you can paint the edges. I painted the edges of mine of this one with just some black acrylic craft paint. You don't have to though. I mean, it looks fine with the white edges as well. But that's really all there is to it. It's a very simple project. You'll have a set of 4 when you're done, and they will be a great addition to your summer parties. Okay, so I hope you had fun making coasters today. I just finished my one because I just didn't feel the need to finish all 4 of them. But like I said, you were going to be able to make 4 with what I provided in your kit. Just the alcohol ink and a finisher on top, and then a felt backing. It's going to make an excellent coaster for the summer, and I hope you had fun. Until next time, happy crafting!